What's up YouTube? My name is Chaos and the iPhone 12 Pro Max is finally out and I just got mine delivered about a half hour ago. So I thought it'd be a good idea to do an unboxing. So let's just get right into it. So this year we are getting a pretty minimal black box that the iPhone is coming in, and as soon as you open it you have the iPhone sitting right on top, and look at that, it has a nice matte finish. It's still pretty reflective, but for the most overall part it's very nice matte finish, almost kind of has a satin look to it. And under the phone inside the box we have a USB-C to lightning cable, some paperwork, and unfortunately, as you all probably already know, there is no power adapter inside the box. So one of the first things that I'm noticing immediately after taking it out of the box is the size, obviously, but I was really concerned about how big it would be. This is my first time ever having a phone that is a Max, and this one is pretty giant, but my hands are pretty big as well, and it fits comfortably in my hand. Like, I don't feel like this is too much of a struggle holding it like this with the flat edges, the squared off edges instead of having curved off edges. It fits really nice in my hand. I imagine once I put a case on top of it that it will feel a lot or a little bit bigger, but so far I am not minding the size of it. And I'm coming from an iPhone 10, and here's my iPhone 10 here. And you can see, I mean, the Max completely dwarfs it. It hides it like that, and to the side, it's not much thicker than the iPhone 10, but the footprint is certainly larger. Instead of getting the Apple leather case, I decided to get the Nomad Rugged Case, and this is wrapped in Horine leather, and it develops patina over time, so it gives you a unique look once the case wears down. So the rugged case comes in two colors, brown and black, and I went with black because it matches the color of the phone. And as you can see, it is a very minimal case, and there is no logos on it, and it hides the Apple logo as well. So after using an iPhone 10 for about 3 years, I was really looking forward to the 12 Pro Max with its new squared off design, a bigger battery, and the camera improvements. I was really intrigued with getting the iPhone 12 mini as well, but with Apple's advertising, they got me hooked, saying that this is their new biggest and best iPhone. So I'm a person that really cares about mobile photography, and I love to have a phone that takes good shots and I can just pull out of my pocket and have easy access to it. So that was probably the biggest reason that drove me to get this 12 Pro Max, because it's advertised as having the best cameras. The Pro Max has a wide, ultra wide, and portrait camera sensor, and I'm really looking forward to just using the standard wide. It has new upgrades with stabilization, and because of the larger sensor, it's able to let in more light. So I will probably be using it even for some of these YouTube videos that I'm creating, and also just for posting things on Instagram. So that's it for this unboxing. Leave a comment down below on your thoughts on the 12 Pro Max. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.